On the heels of World Mental Health Day, concerns about a lack of support for people who suffer from mental illnesses. Here's Sandy Williams with part 2 of a Primetime News special report, A Critical State of Mind.
A 2022 report from the World Health Organization (WHO) states that schizophrenia affects approximately 24 million people, or 1 in 300 people worldwide. Locally, less than 4% of the population suffers from the condition. Dr. Kevin Goldburn is Director of Mental Health and Substance Abuse Services in the Ministry of Health and Wellness.
The current prevalence of schizophrenia within the last couple of years is at 2 to 3% of the population. And that compares with depression, which is at about 14%. There's no real general differentiation from the studies, but it tends to start from within late adolescent into early adulthood.
Despite its rare occurrence, psychologist Dr. Patrice Charles King says the mental disorder should be taken seriously.
If you don't understand and they're walking on the street, or they've left their home and you think that they're trying to pick a fight with you, or they put themselves in harm's way by being very aggressive and someone else is defending themselves, or they do harm to someone. We just saw that recently. It is definitely cause for concern, on both sides. Individuals are probably suffering from it and they don't know that they're suffering from it.
It's why the WHO has established the Comprehensive Mental Health Action Plan 2013-2030. It focuses on 4 areas, including responsive social care services for mental health. This is evident in Jamaica as the government has set up drop-in centers across the country.
That is something great. If you have paranoid schizophrenia and you have no home and no shelter, and the government is providing food and shelter for you, as minimum as it may seem to someone that has it, it's a good thing for them.
For Sean Harrison, who is recovering from schizophrenia, it's a step in the right direction, but it's just not enough. He recommends the establishment of assisted living to better help people struggling with the condition.
I'm not talking about, just a normal board or wooden house, good shelter that the person can have, a living arrangement monitored by government employed, social workers and persons who monitor his or her, movement.
Sandy Williams, TVJ News.